Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Learning. Today I am going to tell you the ISLM model with the help of numerical. So here I have written one numerical, and now on the basis of this we will calculate the IS curve, the LM curve, and how to determine the equilibrium rate of output and rate of interest. So let's begin. Here it is given that suppose that an economy is characterized by following equation. We have following equations as consumption function is given as this. Then we have given with investment, and then we have government expenditure, and then we have tax. And here we have money supply which is equals to 1000, price is 2, here it is demand for money which is given as this equation. So now the question is asking for find an expression for IS curve. So first of all we have to find the expression for IS curve. For this we will see how to find it. For IS curve we have to use the equation this, which is output is equals to consumption plus investment plus government expenditures. So now in this equation we will substitute the given functions. Like for consumption function we will substitute this, for investment we will substitute this, and for government expenditure we will substitute this. So now we can write this as here it is disposable income. So we can write it as a y minus t, that it means income minus taxes, which will give us disposable income. Now plus investment, and then we have government expenditure which is 100. So we will now simplify this. We can we can write this tax as 100, please remember that to solve an equation just do step by step so that you will not get any wrong answer. So we will now multiply this. Now we will add 200 plus 200 plus 100, 500 minus 75, which will give us 425 minus 25r plus 0.75y. Now what we will do, we will take this y to the left hand side. Now here we will get this. Now if we simplify this, we will get we will get 1700 minus 100 r. So this equation we will get, and this is our IS curve. We know that the IS curve is inverse related to the output level, so that is why we have minus here. Now we will see find an expression for LM curve. So now we will see that how to calculate the LM curve equation. for this we have to use that the money demand is equals to money supply. So now we will substitute the demand function here and the supply is here. So we can write this as so this is our LM equation or LM curve. Here we have positive. That means that output and rate of interest are positively related. Now come to third part, which is asking find an equilibrium level of Y or output and rate of interest. So here to find this, what we will do, we know that at equilibrium LM is equals to IS. So from the previous part we have calculated IS as this, which is 1700 minus 100 R, and LM is this. So now we will substitute this here, and now we will calculate the value of R from here, which is 6. That means our equilibrium rate of interest is 6%, and now to calculate the equilibrium level of output we will substitute this R to the LM curve or IS curve. In any of the equation you can substitute this value. So we have $600, Y is equals to 1100. So this is our equilibrium rate of interest and this is our equilibrium rate of output. Now the last part is saying find the value of investment. So we have to find the value of investment. As we can see, the investment is 200 minus 25 R. So now we can substitute the value of R here. R is 6%. So now our investment is 50. So this is how we calculate the IS, LM and the equilibrium level of income, income and rate of interest. So now let's have quick recap. What we have to do for the IS curve, we have to just make the equation like this and we have to solve for Y. Then we will get the equation in terms of Y and R, and for IS we will see that it is negatively related. Now for the LM curve, we know that the demand for money is equals to supply of money. So we will substitute these two and we calculate the relationship between income and rate of interest, and it should be positive, as we know that LM is positively related to the rate of interest and negatively related to the rate of interest. That means it has the IS curve. So now for the equilibrium level we just equate LM is equals to IS and we will find the rate of interest, and then that rate of interest will be substituted in any of the equation, and then we will calculate Y as this. And to get the investment we can substitute this R to the investment function and we will calculate the value of 50. Now I'm just show you the shape of IS curve. IS curve is like this. LM curve is like this is LM and this is IS curve. Here we will take output and here we will take rate of interest. So this is the equilibrium output, which is 1100 here, and this is the R, which is 6%. So this is how this shows with the help of numerical that how we have calculated this. So this is all about the ISLM model and how we calculate the equilibrium rate of income and rate of interest. I hope you have understood this, and if you like this video, just do like and subscribe my channel, and just so that you can see my further videos. And thanks and have a nice day.